So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you iPhone XS suddenly drop down battery health after update iOS 16.4.1. Lot of iPhone users reported that their iPhone drop down battery health suddenly when they update their iPhone to the iOS 16.4.1. Even I am also experienced this. So let's start video without wasting any time and check the battery health and how to fix that. So firstly open iPhone setting and check the battery health. You can see appears on screen. Tap on battery. Okay, you can see charging and battery health. You can see appears on screen maximum capacity drop down on 82% from 87% right now. That iPhone updated on iOS 16.4.1. So go back and how to fix that issue. Okay, if you have any pending iOS update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update, because sometime any bug that suddenly drop down your battery health, and when you update your iPhone to the latest iOS update, fix their battery health and it's recover. Okay, now move to the next one. The next one is trying to force to restart your iPhone after update iOS 16.4.1, because sometime any bugs that appears on your iPhone update, and when you force to restart your iPhone it will fix. So there are 2 to 3 methods to fix that issue. If you have no any pending iOS update, just downgrade your iPhone to the previous update and maybe you fix that issue. Okay, so friends, by doing that simple step you can see appears on screen my iPhone also drop down battery health, and there is no way to fix that issue still, even that upcoming update. So hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.